Hola, Señora Vaz here with instructions for today. Today we're working on project 3. And for your actividad inicial, for the first 5 minutes, you're going to this photo and you're going to do a quick research on famous painters of Hispanic origin. You're going to type one name in the comments right here, and that will be your actividad inicial, your warm-up. For your project 3, you are going to create a Prezi. And I gave you the step-by-step here of what you had to put in your Prezi. But I also put a tutorial, quotations, that I created so you know how to make a Prezi. I hope that helps you. I put the tutorial link here. I put my example here. And one more thing. You're going to study for a final assessment on greetings, short conversations, numbers, telling time, and body parts. Mrs. Bass, we haven't seen body parts. That's true. And that's why I put a link here on body parts. So you have a picture here where you can look at the body parts and just practice them. And then I put a Quizlet. You can play the Quizlet to learn the body parts. There you go. So that's for you to study. The vocabulary is the extra vocabulary that we haven't seen, but it's just a few words that you need to complete, and then you will have your final assessment on this part of the book. We're finishing the first part, that is En la Escuela, so we're going to start the new part. I'll see you in class. Let me know if you have any questions. Adios.